Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you how to set up a boot menu on Dell Inspiron laptop and Windows installation process. So stay tuned. After pressing power button, we will pressing again and again F12. After coming this display here, boot device, you will select USB storage device and press any key. You will click next, install now, check mark, and next, install Windows. Here you see two partition here, C drive and D drive. When creating C drive, some drives are created automatically. For example, system, reserve, recovery, and so on. We will delete this. Then finally we will delete C drive. Before deleting the C drive, you will must need to backup data from C drive. Otherwise, you will lost essential data from C drive. Deleting C drive, you will click next and follow the instruction.